Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. If you're new, hi, my name is Himadri and I do post fashion and makeup related content on my channel. Today's video is going to be a very different one, and as you can see, the setup is very different as well. And today I'm filming in daylight. I don't usually do that. I usually film facing that side, but today I thought, why not just switch things a little. Let me know what you guys think about this setup. So in today's video I will be talking about everything social media, how influencers make money, how you can up your game, how to get more followers, subscribers, views and all that. Okay, so before I start with the video, I just want to put it out there that I am not a pro. I'm still learning social media myself, and I just want to share everything that I've learned throughout these years, so it might help you a little, because I know a lot of you guys are creators out there, or maybe you want to start social media, or you're just a beginner and you don't know what to do, how to do certain things. So I'm just gonna talk to you guys as a friend, help you guys out. So I asked you all to drop some questions regarding social media. If you're a creator, what problems you're facing, and I received quite a lot of questions, so I'll be answering your questions later in the video. But before that, I want to cover a few things. So first things first, I want to talk about myself, my journey, why I started YouTube, when I started YouTube and all that. So when I was in my 11th standard, I used to watch a lot of YouTube videos, makeup related DIYs, lifestyles, how to customize this, how to customize that. I used to watch Tati, Jacqueline Hill, Kathleen Lights, Eva, Bethany. And obviously I was in school and I did not have access to makeup at all, and all the craft stuff that they used to show in their videos were not available in India, and I know that a lot of you guys can feel me here. So after that 12th May, I gave myself a break that no, I have to study, boards and stuff. मेरा अपना phone वोन सब कुछ त्याग दिया था, and I was just into studies. So after my board exams, before the results come out, there's this time in between 1 or 2 months maybe, where you're completely free, you can do whatever you want to, have fun and stuff like that. Then I started watching YouTube again. I started to binge watch like crazy. I used to watch tutorials like literally दिन रात में बस tutorials देखती थी, and I was so fascinated. And I had this thing अपने दिमाग में, I had this thing that I also want to start my own YouTube channel with using products that are available in India. उस टाइम पे ज़्यादा कुछ brands भी नहीं थे, just Lakme, Maybelline, Revlon, and उस टाइम पे यही typical brands available थे. I really wanted to have a YouTube channel, but at that time I did not have a camera, I did not know editing, I did not have an editing software, I did not have a laptop, I did not have anything, makeup नहीं था, कुछ नहीं था, तो मैं कैसे करूँ? Okay, so just remember I had only one eyeliner, alright? And then मेरा second semester start हुआ, I got an iPhone, and I was pretty much sure कि if I get an iPhone का camera अच्छा है, I can film, and I was very sure if I get an iPhone it will work for me, because if you don't know, iOS devices में there's this application iMovies that you get along with that, and that's an editing software. I knew if I get an iPhone, मेरा camera का भी काम हो जाएगा and मेरा editing का भी काम हो जाएगा. I still remember my first video, it was the introduction video, because I did not have a tripod, I did not have makeup products, तो मैं करती start तो किससे करती, right? So I literally took my phone like this and I was like, hey guys, this is my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading DIYs, makeup tutorials, DIYs जो कभी हुआ नहीं. So that was my first video. As I said before, मेरे पास एक छोटा सा Lakme का eyeliner था. So that was my second video, how to apply eyeliner. And my third video was, I guess, what's in my bag video. And सबके पास bag होता है and उसमें सामान भी होता है. So why not show it to the world? And just remember, I still did not have any makeup, no eyeshadow. I guess I just had 1 or 2 lipsticks, वो भी मेरी mom या मेरी बहन के थे, and that's it. I did not know how to apply eyeshadow, I did not have a foundation, I did not have anything, I did not even have a concealer, you guys. Then मेरा birthday आया, I told my parents कि no, मुझे gift नहीं देना, just give me some money and I'll buy myself some makeup. And then मैंने अपने birthday वाले पैसों से I got few products. I got the Maybelline Nude eyeshadow palette, because that was the only cheapest good quality eyeshadow palette back then. Literally started with zero, like literally zero. And trust me, you do not require 10,000 foundation, 10,000 eyeshadow palettes, 50 concealers. You do not need to have that to start a channel. Look at me, I started with zero. I just had a Lakme ka eyeliner and I started with that. After these 2-3 videos, I started saving my pocket money. I got the Maybelline foundation, I got the Maybelline concealer, and dono ka shade galat tha because I did not know anything about makeup. And after I got these products, I started doing makeup videos. जबकि मुझे मेकअप करना भी नहीं आ रहा था. आई जस्ट न्यू कि हाँ शिमर लिड्स पे आता है, यहाँ पे एक ब्राउन कलर का कलर आएगा, दैट्स इट. एंड वो भी मैं सारा मेबलिन न्यूज़ पैलेट से करती थी. एंड आई केप्ट ऑन गोइंग. आई डिड नॉट केयर अबाउट व्यूज़. ट्रस्ट मी, अगर मेरे अपने घर वाले भी देख लेते थे एंड मेरे को 100 व्यूज आ जाते थे, आई वॉज प्रिटी हैप्पी. एंड एट दैट पॉइंट आई रियली डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट पीपल टू वॉच माई वीडियोज बिकॉज द लाइट वॉजंट गुड, माई मेकअप स्किल्स वर नॉट अप टू द मार्क. आई वॉज स्टिल लर्निंग. आई डिड नॉट नो हाउ टू डू अ विंग आई लाइनर. माई फाउंडेशन, माई कंसीलर शेड वर रॉन्ग. सो you know, it's a journey. YouTube, Instagram, social media, it's a journey. You learn along the way. Okay, so that was a long introduction about myself and my journey. So sorry guys, I keep moving back and forth because I'm avoiding the sun on my face. So the next thing that I want to cover is this very basic thing that people don't know, and me being on this platform, it's my duty to educate you guys. I did talk about this on my Instagram, but if you're new to my channel, if you don't follow me on Instagram, I thought why not I should cover it here as well. So I've seen a lot of girls and boys on Instagram saying that they are bloggers. So according to me, bloggers are people who write blogs. It can be a website on WordPress, Wix, or you can even have your own personal website. For example, I am a beauty blogger and I'm giving reviews about a particular eyeliner that I got recently, and मैं वो सब लिख रही हूँ. So that makes me a blogger. 3-4 पिक्चर्स खींच के इंस्टाग्राम पे अपलोड करके विदाउट अ ब्लॉग, विदाउट राइटिंग अबाउट थिंग एंड हैशटैग ब्लॉगर लगा दूंगी, सो आई एम अ ब्लॉगर. No honey, that does not make you a blogger. I make videos on YouTube, so I am a YouTuber. Putting content on Instagram, then I am an Instagrammer. If I am writing blogs, then I am a blogger. If you don't believe me, I'll just quickly Google it. So a blogger is a person who writes content in a weblog, called a blog for short. Writing in a blog is often referred to as blogging. So there's this one more question here. What exactly does a blogger do? A professional blogger is someone that makes their living blogging. Platforms like WordPress, Tumblr, Wix, and maybe even if you have your own website. So if you're someone who posts pictures, videos on Instagram, YouTube, and you do not have a blog or a website where you write about things, but you're just simply posting pictures and videos, then you're not a blogger, then you're a content creator. I always address myself as a content creator. I never say that I am an influencer or a blogger because first, I don't have a blog. I am not active on my blog at all, so I'm not a blogger. Second, I don't like to call myself an influencer because I did not start this to influence people. I started this because I enjoy doing this. I can already feel that this video is going to be way too long, but if this video is going to help you and benefit you, then anything for you guys. Now I'm just going to answer a few questions. So the first question is, why do some YouTubers monetization gets rejected? What are the mistakes they make? You can only monetize your YouTube content, and by monetization I mean AdSense. So when you start your YouTube channel, Google gives you a privilege to play ads before, during and after your video. जितने ads आपके audience देखेगी उतनी revenue आपको मिलेगी, and there is no specific amount कि एक ad पे आपको 10 रुपए मिलेंगे, एक ad पे आपको 100 रुपए मिलेंगे. No, it does not work like that. And as far as I know, हर ad का एक अलग value होता है. तो YouTube ने अपना एक rule change किया था 2 साल पहले, I believe, कि you should have minimum 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours आपके चैनल पे. अगर आप ये बेसिक क्राइटेरिया फुलफिल नहीं करते, आप अपने वीडियोस पे एड्स नहीं चला पाओगे. सेकंड रीजन कैन बी दैट मे बी यू आर यूजिंग अ कॉपीराइट सॉन्ग, जिसके कारण you cannot earn through that. How that works is, suppose I used the song Yummy Yummy from Justin in one of my videos. That song is not copyright free. तो उसमें I'll get a restriction that I won't be able to monetize my video, but मैं जितना भी पैसा उस वीडियो से बनाऊंगी, for example if I make $50 from that particular video, वो सारे $50 just इनके पास जाएंगे. This is an example because he is the rightful owner of that song. Suppose you get a copyright restriction, I would highly recommend you to take down the video, re-edit the video, add a copyright free song, upload it, and then at least अगर आप $1 या $2 बना रहे हो, वो at least आपके तो हैं. I would recommend you to re-edit and use a copyright free song. So the next question is, would like to know which apps can we use to edit videos. So if you want to know about applications, I know a few. The first one, if you're an iOS user, you can use iMovies. If you're an Android user, there's this application called Kinsmaster, I'm not sure. I'll mention it right here. And the third one is InShot. So you can use these 3 applications to edit your videos. They are pretty decent and you can get your basic editing done. When did you start? So as I mentioned before, I started when I was in my 2nd semester of college, and that was 2016. And I will be very honest, I was not very active on YouTube because I had to manage college and YouTube together, and I did not get enough time to film videos, edit them and upload them because my college timings were 9 to 5 and it was very hectic. If you're doing an integrated course, or maybe if you're not doing BTech and your college is not that strict, then you can definitely handle YouTube by side. But in my case, I did not get that privilege. I used to upload once a month, maybe once in 2 months, and sometimes मैं महीनों के लिए गायब हो जाती थी. So I was not fully dedicated. I would say that I've been taking YouTube seriously from the last 1 year. I've been very consistent on YouTube. I have improved my content, and I honestly consider this 1 year जहाँ पे मैंने सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत की है, because उससे पहले वाले years were I did not pay a lot of attention to YouTube, so I pretty much ignore वो starting stages. Okay, so the next question is, I am a starter, would like to know what type of content should I include to maintain. So this is a very personal thing. Everyone has their own taste, because I am someone who prefers doing just eye makeup because I am good at it. Maybe I'm very good at lip swatcher, maybe I'm good with nails, maybe I'm good with fashion, maybe I'm good with the hacks. So that's a very personal preference. I cannot really tell you to put content like this, what you're good at, and then gradually later on you can expand your category and know what you're doing. Don't confuse your audience by putting multiple things at once. Maybe fashion, makeup, वहाँ पे कुछ चल रहा है, वहाँ पे कुछ चल रहा है, tech चल रहा है, कभी कुछ हो गया, decor हो गया, and सबको just don't mix it up. How did you make that makeup transition video like that yummy one? Loved it. Thank you so much. For this, I can make a separate dedicated video. Let me know if you guys want to watch that, because I won't be able to cover everything in this particular video. I'm really curious to start content, but I'm a little nervous too. So can you help me with that? I'd say don't be nervous, because आप जब डालोगे content, your content is definitely not going to reach millions of people या thousands of people. Keep posting and see if that makes you happy, and just don't think about people. लोग तो बोलेंगे ही, people are going to react. You do you and just don't care. How to start writing blogs on which platforms basically. So the most common platform is WordPress and Wix. How to grow on Instagram as a content creator, some tips and tricks. Be consistent, upload at the right time, know your audience, and third, I would say use the right hashtags. I don't know why I'm not growing, though I'm also posting consistently. What do I do? So there's a high chance that your content is not up to the mark. Maybe the quality is not great, or the light is not good, and people are not able to see what exactly you're trying to do. Try experimenting with your quality, angles, light. Try things that are very catchy to the eyes. मैं इस स्टेज पे भी आके I keep experimenting with content, and it's not like कि मैंने पिछले साल इस एंगल पे एक वीडियो बनाई थी सेम इफेक्ट सेम एडिटिंग के साथ, so I'm gonna do the same for ears. No, it's not gonna work because your audience will ultimately get bored of it and they will eventually unfollow you. How to get the drive to open a makeup YouTube channel, as I'm very scared about how people would react. As I said before, don't think about people. लोग तो बोलेंगे ही. You cannot make everyone happy. I get a lot of criticism and negativity. अगर मैं इस negativity को अपने पे impact करने देती, I wouldn't have been here. Just ignore people. You cannot please everyone. What laptop you use for editing and suggest any affordable laptop for editing. Love you a lot and a big fan. Thank you so much. I use the HP Spectre. It's quite expensive, but you can literally use whatever laptop you have. If you're planning on purchasing one, do your research beforehand. Get a laptop which has a good RAM and a graphic card. Does the creator's location actually matter in terms of gaining high low subscribers? Definitely. Just imagine I am filming a video and पीछे मेरे कपड़े पड़े हुए हैं, सब कुछ messy है and it's very distracting. So just imagine you being a viewer, आपको कैसा लगेगा? आप मेरे पे focus नहीं कर पाओगे. You will be always looking पीछे की तरफ because that would be very distracting. And also it does not look very professional and high quality. What is the least one can start a makeup channel with? Least amount of products. As I mentioned before, I started my channel with one Lakme eyeliner. If I can do it, you can do it too. You have a lipstick hack, different ways of using a lipstick and a lipstick swatch, and you can see you can create 3 different videos using just one lipstick. A few tips about video editing, tips for beginners. Okay, for editing there are plenty of videos on YouTube. Do your research. If you guys want me to film one, I can do it. I would be more than happy to film that for you guys. Check it out, do your research, and if you still think that you're not able to find the right information, I would be more than happy to film an editing video for you all. Rule for growing up. There is no rule for growing up. The only rule for growing up is hard work. Can a small town girl can grow as a YouTuber or influencer? Definitely, trust me, because I'm from Dehradun. It is a very small town और यहाँ पे आधे से ज़्यादा लोगों को नहीं पता content creators, influencers, blogging क्या होता है, what is YouTube. A lot of people don't even know that. We don't have events, we don't have PR agencies like Delhi, Bangalore or Mumbai. If I did it, so can you. How to grow on social media as a beauty content creator. To be honest, our beauty industry is very much saturated at the moment. We have so many new faces coming up every day and it's very difficult to grow, especially on Instagram and YouTube. Keep creating good content. That is the key of growing on Instagram, and be original. Don't try to copy anyone. What camera do you use for videos and app for editing? I use the Canon 80D and Adobe Premiere Pro to edit my videos. And आज का last question is, how much do you earn from YouTube? I will definitely not disclose how much I earn, but I have started taking financial responsibilities घर पे and I'm very proud of that. Along with that, I also got a question asking how to earn through social media. From YouTube, as mentioned before, you can earn through AdSense, sponsorships, affiliate codes and long-term partnerships. And for Instagram, long-term partnership, affiliate codes and sponsorships. So that is the end for today's video, you guys. I am very tired. I still have plenty of questions that I couldn't answer. So let me know if you guys want me to do a part 2, or if you have any queries, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys are indoors and safe. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.